Hello everyone, my name is Pratish and I will show one animation thing I did. So the characters are Tom and Sherry, if you had already know. So here is Jerry, here is Tom, and the background where you will see them do all that drama. And these are the tools which I used to make this animation. Quite a lot, but still quite satisfying to watch. And these are the other tools I used. As a matter of fact, it took me a lot of slides. If you can see right here, it took me 210 slides. But you want to see the result of all of that work? Here it here it goes. Oh yes. Thank you.
Excellent, Pratish. So this is how the real cartoons like Doraemon or Tom and Jerry or SpongeBob's, any of the cartoons are made like this. So you used almost 200 slides in it, and which
Yes,
runs in a
and I
flow.
have to use more than 1,000.
It works like this. Excellent, Pratish. Good job.